Crime control model and due process model are two competing philosophies in criminal justice that outline different approaches to handling crime and administering justice. 1. Crime control model. The crime control model emphasizes efficiency, speed, and finality in the criminal justice process. Its primary focus is on reducing crime and ensuring public safety by controlling and deterring criminal behavior. Key features of this model include presumption of guilt. There is a focus on quickly identifying and processing suspects, with an assumption that the police and prosecutors usually target the right individuals. Efficiency and speed. The model seeks to streamline procedures to avoid delays in the justice process, aiming for swift punishment to deter future crimes. Emphasis on protecting society. It prioritizes the protection of the public and the interests of society over the individual rights of the accused. This model is sometimes critiqued for its risk of compromising individual rights, potentially leading to wrongful convictions or abuses of power in favor of social order. 2. Due process model. The due process model, on the other hand, emphasizes fairness, individual rights, and legal protections in the criminal justice system. It seeks to prevent abuses of power and protect citizens from unjust treatment. Key characteristics include presumption of innocence, emphasis on thorough investigation and ensuring that every individual is given a fair chance to defend themselves, focus on formal legal procedures. This model values strict adherence to procedural rules and protections for suspects, including the right to a fair trial and protection against self-incrimination. Emphasis on protecting individuals. It prioritizes the rights of individuals, often placing limits on law enforcement to prevent arbitrary or oppressive actions. Critics argue that the due process model can slow down justice, leading to delays and inefficiencies in prosecuting criminals, which may allow some offenders to avoid punishment. Key differences. Crime control prioritizes efficiency, public safety, and quick outcomes, risks compromising individual rights. Due process prioritizes individual rights, fairness, and procedural safeguards, risks slowing down the justice process. Both models shape policies and practices within the justice system and reflect a balance between maintaining social order and protecting individual freedoms.